When we cut edges, we need to have the paint in our one hand and the brush in the other, so we can work faster and easier. I'm using a purchased bucket, but I also use yogurt containers, paper cups, or even butter tubs. One way to get a nice crisp edge is to use masking tape. This does take quite a bit longer to stick and also to remove, and there's also extra cost because you could use several rolls in just one room. So make sure that you push the tape down firmly, or when you paint it could seep behind the tape. When you've masked up, the painting is actually quicker. You don't need to be accurate. You just paint the wall straight onto the tape. It's as easy as that. Now it's time to try it without tape. Start at the top and move slowly down. Drag the brush and try not to touch the edge. This does take a bit of practice, and I've created a special practice video for you. See the link at the end of this video. If you tilt the brush slightly towards the edge, it is easier to get an accurate line. Remember to feather the edge so that you don't leave a definite line that could be difficult to cover up when you roll the next coat. The more you practice this, the easier it gets. Painting around fittings is also easy. Just remember to feather it afterward and it'll be seamless. When painting corners, paint both walls at the same time. Spread the paint right into the corner and then leave a brush width on each side. The roller cannot go too close to the corners because the handle may scrape the opposite wall. Once you've cut all the edges and the paint is covered correctly, it is time to start rolling. See our video on how to roll paint onto a wall. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to this channel.